Alright, I'm in my hostel right now. I just met a Spanish girl who's going to see her aunt in a different city outside Barcelona. And she invited me to come along. So let's go on a little day adventure to a place called Terrassa. We are going to Terrassa con Soraya. Hola.
Hola.
Your aunt.
Mi tía.
Your tia.
Para ver a mi tía.
I should know. In Italiano es zia. Because I'm Italian.
You're Italian.
Yes.
You don't look like.
Let's go. ¿A dónde?
I'm like.
Can you give my friends and family information about Terrassa? When was the city founded? What is the history? What is something unique that you love about Terrassa? Teach us. Soraya.
Okay, Terrassa is a city that is next to Barcelona. I don't know a shit about this city.
We don't have fake stuff on our channel. It's not fake.
You want
It's a good.
an ice cream?
Yes. Sí.
Hola.
De con desayuno. Hola. Es no fresca. It's all about this right here. Which one you want? My treat. Come on, here.
But it's very small.
You get two. Okay. We're good. Okay, Soraya had to go see her family. She did invite me, but I said no, I don't want to take time away from her family, so I'm just gonna venture around this random city called Terrassa. Let's see what happens. I don't know if it's just because it's Sunday, but this is like a bit of a ghost town right now. Check out this little Gothic architecture. Man, parkour through this so badly right now. Awesome Mediterranean vibe though, man. Imagine having paella on one of these balconies or these rooftops. Psh, listening to some flamenco con mis amigos. Psh, done, fam. Aquí, sí, museos, parques, restaurantes.
Ah, bueno. Pasa por allá y le ponen la cruz grande.
Ok, cruz grande, sí.
¿Usted es extranjero?
Sí, sí, obviamente.
¿No es español?
No, no, no.
¿Usted dónde es?
Sí, soy de Canadá.
¿Cómo?
Canadá. Yeah, Estados
Canadá,
Unidos,
Canadá.
Canadá.
Ah, vale, Canadá,
Canadá,
Canadá. Muy bien, muy bien.
¿Conoces?
¿Eh?
¿Conoces?
No, no he ido nunca.
¿No?
Yo a América, de Estados Unidos, no he ido
Ah,
nunca.
okay, bien. Yeah, definitely Distillery District vibes here. And the bells are ringing. Some old lady showed me where to eat. I ordered something I never heard before. Let's see how it is. All right. A little bit of water to dab myself with. These are so quiet. There's pretty people everywhere. Everyone looks good looking. I just finished my meal. It was good. I think I really experienced a typical Catalonian town. It's very quiet here. Little corners and corridors. Yeah, it's a vibe, to say the least. Back to Barcelona.